guys, what's up? I'm Richa Rich and you are watching Richa Rich TV. So guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you a little fun thing that I found on Instagram. And as usual मुझे ad आया और मैंने खरीद लिया. Yeah, I just bought it. I saw it, I liked it, I wanted it, I bought it. Okay, so but this is something fun and I thought somebody might need it, maybe for, I don't know, just for fun and just for looking cool, or maybe for, I don't know, a performance of some sorts, you know, for times when you just need a dash of color in your hair, but you do want a color, right? It's a commitment. So for times like those, I found some hair extensions, but I think strand wale hair extensions, if I'm not wrong. I don't know what the exact name is, but streaks, yes, I'll just show you, just give me a minute. So these are the strands, streaks, hair extensions. Guys, मैं hair extension बोल के थक चुकी हूँ, अब बोल भी नहीं पा रही हूँ. But yeah, synthetic hair है, so yeah, they're cheaper. I don't remember the price, but I'll leave the link and everything in the description as usual, तो वहाँ आपको price मिल जाएगा. But yeah, synthetic है, and मैंने straight में लिया because straight में ज़्यादा color options थे. But you can obviously go for the curly one as well, but I don't think there's a difference क्योंकि वो लोग curly करते हैं खुद, क्योंकि synthetic है, right? So you can do it on your own, which I'm going to do in a moment. So I hope this works and ये plastic melt ना हो जाए. Plastic का? I don't know, plastic का या किसका है? The hair feels really soft and nice though. Yeah, but of course आपके बाल curly है तो आपको curl करना ही पड़ेगा, है ना? So we'll do that and we'll put it on and we'll see how it looks. So I'll curl them and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm finally back after curling these. बहुत अच्छे से कर्ल नहीं हुए हैं. पर्पल वाला ठीक ठाक कर्ल हो गया था, बट पिंक वाला पता नहीं क्यों ठीक से हो नहीं रहा था. बट जैसा भी मैंने कर लिया है एंड आई डन इट विद द हेल्प ऑफ समबडी. कोई पकड़ के रखेगा एंड देन यू नो आई कर्ल, बिकॉज ये बहुत मुश्किल है ऐसे अकेला ही, जैसे कैसे कर्ल करते हैं मुझे नहीं आता एटलीस्ट. सो या किसी की हेल्प से आप कर्ल कर सकते हो इसे. एंड या दे लुक ओके आई गेस. ऑब्वियसली दे आर नॉट ह्यूमन हेयर, सो वैसा तो कभी नहीं लगेगा, बट इतने कम स्ट्रैंड्स हैं ना ये कि आपको इतना पता भी नहीं चलेगा कि क्या है करके, कि ये नकली है असली है करके. So I'm just gonna put these on and show you guys how they look and stuff. Alright, to put these on, I think I will have to take off my hair topper. So guys, my hair topper is off and I do have a better look of my scalp and how I can put it. So the good thing is, since I have the hair topper, I can place these literally anywhere and उसके ऊपर बाल लगा दूँगी तो you know it'll just cover the tracks, right? So ऐसा ही कुछ करने की कोशिश करते हैं. I can literally just put it here also. थोड़ा सा पीछे because yeah, hair topper तो I know it's looking funny right now guys, but bear with me. Just love this pink, yeah, it's so pretty. Alright, so अभी के लिए मैं सिर्फ दो ही डालने वाली हूँ. I have 2 of each left, 2 of pink and 2 of purple, but I think अभी के लिए इतना ही काफ़ी है क्योंकि मैं ये नेल्स के साथ डाल नहीं पा रही हूँ, that's why. But yeah, I think even अगर हम दो ही डालें तो भी चल जाएगा, but if you want more then you can definitely put more at the back, because मेरी तरह अगर आपके पास hair topper है तो I just leave it to this and I'll just put back my hair topper. Alright, so this is actually looking really nice. And don't mind the lighting guys, अभी वीडियो बनाते बनाते शाम हो गई है. I think this is my third video today or second. not sure, but time lag gaya, so शाम हो गई. But I guess you can see these, and you can see how these look. And of course आप सही से place करेंगे तो you can do a better job than me. But you know, if you just want a dash of color on your hair, right? In your hair, on your hair. Yeah, बालों में थोड़ा सा color चाहिए without actually coloring them. So this is a good idea. You know, I think like for musicians or anything, like it's a good idea for music videos, or for models, or for, I don't know, anybody who likes getting clicked, right, and wants to look cool once in a while. Yeah, it's good for anybody who just wants to get colored hair basically. So yeah, as always, I will link everything in the description below where to find it, and yeah, you can get it and you can flaunt it. Alright. So anyway guys, if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button, and of course subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and of course don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post a video. And of course, if you have any thoughts about this, or if you are going to get this, or if you like this idea, then let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to see, you know, what you all got. Let me know what color you got, because they have so many different options. So yeah, let me know that. That would be fun. So yeah, bye bye guys, take care, and I'll see you all in the next one.